never stop calling this place where I was born my home, even if my whole city was laid to waste. Not even the ICU in my child clung to life still stands. Like your school, it was a legitimate target. There's not much left on a tiny strip of land that I still recognize. But the roots of the olive trees of our ancestors stay rooted firm. Do we not deserve to have a place on this earth? I'll never understand the rationalization of art, dehumanization. I never wanted more than basic human dignity. I thought there were some rights called universal. Now I'm scrambling for broken packages of food ain't on the ground, and separating flour from the sand. Do we not deserve to have a place on this earth? I'll never understand the rationalization of art, dehumanization. Now they're drawing up some bureaucratic plan to starve off the few of us still left. They lure us all with food to shoot us en masse. Another massacre written off for self-defense.